Hey everyone, this is Dean with DCA Crypto. Today's video I'm going to go over what will be one of the biggest artificial intelligence projects for this bull run. So I'd appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and let's jump into it. Alright, this one is going to be a major artificial intelligence project that's coming for this bull run yet. So I'm going to cover this one here and show you why I'm very bullish on it, why I invested in this one, and why I think this could be one of the top AI projects for the bull run. So let's jump into it here. Alright, so the project is called Hybrid, and as you can see, they have 351,000 followers on X, way bigger than AGI and a couple of the other projects out there that I've covered on my channel. They're followed by Lake AI. This project here it's going to be an extremely big project here, but they are building this thing and building a monster here. I'm going to get into the website here and show you that. I'm going to show you the pitch deck of this project and everything about it here, but you guys can check them out on their X page and follow them on here and see that this is a high quality project. It has some pretty big investors in it as well. So I'll jump into the pitch deck here and show you a little bit more about this project so you guys can get an idea of what this is about here. Introducing Web3's base for AI enhanced intelligence. Hybrid is an EVM compatible, so that's the Ethereum virtual machine compatible, you know, all of the layer 2s and Ethereum itself. It's compatible with that. It's a compatible machine learning ecosystem designed to integrate a mixture of experts, MOE framework, and AI experts marketplace. The core objective is to empower the creation of intelligent on-chain AI agents, enabling the crafting of versatile chatbots for various use cases. Atlas is their flagship. It's an AI agent that leverages specialized experts, turning blockchain data into actionable insights for users. And then they have a scalable and secure foundation, ensuring seamless AI integration, and paves the way for innovative developer contributions. So over 21 million unique Web3 wallets on testnet. Now I think originally they were planning on doing a layer 1 with this project, but I think they switched it to a layer 2, which, you know, I know some people were kind of concerned about that, but to me it makes more sense to build a layer 2 on Ethereum rather than to try to come up with your own layer 1. There's a lot of, you know, layer 1 wannabes out there. The layer 2s, you know, in my opinion, tend to do just fine with that because you're building on Ethereum, so you don't need to have your own blockchain necessarily for your project to work and be successful. So they have had a lot of use case and a lot of growth on this project here. So they have a partnership with CoinList. They have over 21 million unique wallets, 155,000 hybrid wallets, and 43 million transactions in 192 different countries. So they have, according to here, the Quest platform metrics, 728,000 followers, 900,000 daily claims, and 11.4 million interactions. So the problem they're trying to solve here is they have the high stakes of the on-chain analytics with limited AI capabilities. Currently, blockchain platforms lack sophisticated AI tools, hindering the ability to automate and refine data analysis, making it a manual and cumbersome process. Then the accessing and utilizing on-chain data. So extracting and leveraging actionable insights from vast on-chain data remains challenging, impeding the development and effectiveness of data-driven apps. And then have challenges in developing AI agents. The complexity of creating intelligent on-chain AI agents for specific use cases is a high barrier, limiting the innovation and versatility of chatbots and AI-driven applications. So those are the problems that they're trying to solve with this. So they're saying here they can simplify on-chain intelligence with their innovative solution leverages Atlas and the suite of AI agents to directly address the complexities and limitations identified in blockchain analytics and AI agent development. And then challenges and actionable on-chain data through Atlas and its AI network. Hybrid streamlines the access to on-chain data, enabling efficient insight and extraction and application for all users. And as far as facing limited AI tools, Hybrid empowers users with Atlas and a suite of AI agents to automate and refine data analysis, converting complex blockchain data into digestible insights to make it easier to understand. And then the difficulties with AI agent development, simplifying the creation process for on-chain AI agents, providing developers with robust tools to build smart, adaptable chatbots for various applications. So before in AI and Web 2, users relied on search engines like Google and Yahoo and so on, and basically they're saying here to transform AI transformation into Web 2, the advent tools of like ChatGPT transform the process. So they're talking about pre-Atlas and Web3. Users navigate multiple platforms like Masari, Nansen for analytics, and Etherscan for transactions, piecing together insights manually. And then with Atlas, the future Web3, they're going to power. It's powered by Hybrid's data layers, enhances the functionalities of Web3 tools, offering an intelligent interface for on-chain research. So with Atlas, basically, it's kind of like the search engine for crypto and on-chain data and analysis, because Google can't look at the blockchain and tell you basically what's going on chain with that data. It can only pull up websites with chart information, where with Atlas, it'll actually be able to pull that information directly from the blockchain, at least EVM blockchains. I don't know if it'll pull it from others yet or not, because this is an EVM compatible project, but it'll pull the on-chain data analysis and be able to give that out to you in an information that is digestible and usable for the average user. So that's a very beneficial tool. It's going to be very helpful, especially when we get into things like, well, maybe we should have our government's funding on chain, and then we can do searches of what's going on with our government's funding on chain. So maybe Atlas could help with things like that, or businesses doing activities and expenses and all that, purchase orders and stuff on chain, where it could track all that information and pull up all that data on chain and give you the metrics for it. So that's kind of what the purpose behind Atlas is through the hybrid system. So here they talk about the product, which is Ultimate Web3 Research Companion. So it's kind of like an AI bot, pretty much, sort of, for on-chain analytics and on-chain data. And then they're building custom advanced AI agents, so they have a diverse expertise hub. We're a marketplace for developers to share, monetize, and diversify different AI agents. They'll have AI integrations. They'll add specific AI functions to apps, improving features like data analysis and automation, and of course, community growth and engagement, stuff like that. So they want to have an expansive market opportunity in blockchain and AI. The surge in projects coming into crypto and AI reflects growing interest among investors, yet amidst this enthusiasm, the challenge remains to differentiate between more concepts and those offering practical value. Hybrid emerges as a solution with a clear focus on addressing the actual needs of the blockchain community. So they want to address these needs with the advantage of Atlas, with market surges, real value, not just buzz, but actual real solutions, and empowering users to use the platform. They also want to have it fast, of course, and scalable EVM compatible core. So they talk about the Guardian blocks and data here, and storage nodes, compute nodes, and so on. Throughput of 40,000 transactions per second with roll-up nodes and 250 millisecond transaction finality. That's pretty quick. So then they have the HYB token, the hybrid token, is a native token of hybrid. So it'll be a transaction fuel gateway to Atlas. So to access Atlas, your advanced AI analytics tool, it's exclusively through the hybrid, bridging data insights with blockchain utility. And then holding the hybrid token enables users to stake within the ecosystem and participate in governance, influencing the future direction of the hybrid project. And then there's ecosystem rewards. Validators and active contributors can earn the token as well. So it's potentially like the node owners or stuff like that. So we'll jump into the website here. As you can see, this is a pretty high quality website, very crisp, clear, and clean. They do have an app that you can kind of launch to use the Atlas. So they do have the app here. I have not used this app personally, but you guys can check this out if you're interested in doing that. I'm not going to go into that on the video here, but a pretty clean website here. And then they have more information about the project. So then they have the architecture on here that talks about the Guardian nodes and smart contracts and stuff, so you guys can check that out as well on their website. But guys, I think hybrid's going to be one of the top AI projects coming out this bull run. I don't know when they're going to launch. I think it's between now and February 28th. I believe that's when their mainnet is supposed to go live. So you guys can check out hybrid when it comes out. I am an early investor in this project because I think it's going to be absolutely massive. So I don't know what the token price will be when it launches, but I'll keep you up to date on that so you guys can be aware of it. And if it's something that is a good buying opportunity after it launches, I'll let you guys know about it so you can pick some of this up, because I think it's going to be an absolutely massive AI project. So keep this one kind of on your back burner, on your list of things to keep in perspective for when it launches, just to see where the price is at. Now, if it launches at a really high valuation or something, you're not going to want to buy into it unless we're moving heavily into the bull run, because then it'll probably keep going up in price at that point. But if we're not fully in the bull run by the time this thing launches, usually there's some kind of sell-off from early investors before you get a buying opportunity that's a better opportunity for you to buy in before we take off into the main bull run. But depending on when this one launches, of course, is going to depend on whether I think it'd be a good buying opportunity for you at that time or not. So I will let you guys know when it's launching, if I think it's a good buying opportunity or not. So this is just one that I want to get on your radar so you're aware of it, to be on the lookout for this one when it launches here, hopefully within the next few months. Now, it might launch in November. That's one rumor I've heard. Another rumor is somewhere up between now and February 28th. So I'll keep you guys posted on this one. I'll be doing more videos on it as we get closer to launch. That's all I've got for this video. I appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.